Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to day 19 of Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. I've been playing with mixed media all day, so sorry about the mess on the fingers there. So today's is 4 photos and a really long title. I love it. So I've got this. I've pulled this out to map my photo. We're doing my How to Kill a Kit, which also I was thinking about switching it up for next quarter, but no, we're going to keep rolling with this kit. So these are my 4 photos. These are my parents, and yeah, my dad is just, he just kept looking all around and he wouldn't like, he didn't feel good either, but that's who my dad is. So we're going to cut those down, and here are the papers. So we've got all of these. So I was thinking we would do, because it's matted a few times, so it's like so. Or we should actually flip those because my title will get lost. So we're gonna like do that. So let's do that. All right. We've got our little Nevada sticker sheet here, because this is Sam's 21st birthday trip. He turned 21. I took him, he actually turned 21 in the air a couple times because time change. My husband, me, and my mom and dad, we all went to Vegas for my son's 21st birthday and gambled and had fun. So we're going to be using all this stuff, and my big long title is going to be Good Times, and then I'm going to spell out and family fun. So I need and. I feel like I've got so many, but I think I have a no D. Darn it. Could that pass as a D though? I don't think so. I don't think so. Man, I just needed a D from that. I could do this. So we'll use that to spell out Ian, because it's all even like there's Nashville, and I wonder if it's kind of fun. All right. Anyway, sorry. Sidetrack. Okay. And those, of course, are just a few of the things that I have pulled in. Any wow, words. Any of the sketches that I may have missed this time around. All right, so we're gonna go 10.5, right? Sure, why not? I am totally guessing there. You will see those appear later on my video, just because all the way up until June I've got things scheduled. All right, so that was 10.5. This is the middle one, so we want this one to be 11. And then this one's just gonna have the little branding strip. Now, normally, guys, yeah, I would get this and save this, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I got so much paper over there that if in fact they actually do run out, wow, man, I really don't know. Should I get it? Let's just get it. Let's not be wasteful, but I have so many pictures that I may have to like buy more papers. Don't actually know. Right. So we're gonna get this one just because. And I have been actually going into my scraps. This will be the first layout that I didn't actually pull. But this is the last thing that I have to do. This is the last project. that I have to get done from 2021. Most of 2022. Yeah, same. Yeah, in 2022. Most of 2023 is scrapped. And, you know, we're still in 2024. So, I do still have a lot to scrap. Like, let's not think that I don't. Right, let's see. I'm just got my little straps in a little bitty folder over there. Okay. Alright. So, we have kind of ideas of what we're doing. I'm going to go ahead and hear these down. I'm going to go ahead and trim the photos. What can we use to mat the photos? I think we could possibly, let's see if we have enough, like, solid colors, right? Okay. Well, hold on. Oh, there we go. I don't know if that's actually going to go. There might be another one. Another one. Family joke. Okay. Just looking to see if we have any other darker colors, because that teal is not actually represented here. But we're going to go for it. So I'm going to cut those down. I got to figure out what I want them to be. I could actually pull the red in instead of the teal. What do you guys think? Yeah, let's do that, just because then it, you know, will be copacetic and I'll be okay with it. Like, the teal's just not, well, it kind of is. Yeah, okay. Make your dang mind up, Rebecca Ann. Okay. For real, I'm going to pull that too. All right. I'm going to go away, do my homework. I'll be right back. All right, so I've got my title on. I've got my photos kind of wonkily. This one and this one are popped up from this cute little thing. I took the Vegas and stuck it there. And then let's see. Just put a little bit, because the sketch has things like throughout the title as its embellishments. And then put that there. What else? So yeah, I've decided that we are going to bring this kit back for the next quarter as well, right? Just because I've got the little hello there down here. We'll just pop a little candle right there. And no, don't think we're actually going to be able to get any of those birthday ones on there. That's okay. Then we've got all of this fun little stuff. Not real sure, but I think you come in and just pop some stuff in there, like little randoms. Put this one over here. Okay, what else do we have? Uh-oh, I ripped it. We got this little camera. What if we take the random TV and put it here and layer the camera over it? I don't know why in my head it just made sense. And then looking to see, let's do this little making memories because I love wordy bits. Making memories. And what about, I'm gonna put this little guy up here as well because, you know, it's Sam and he plays the video games. Put popcorn, and then we can come in with some stars. Like so. And I think that's going to do it for today's layout. So this is kind of fun. Like I said, we got just a little bit popped all around. There's the sketch. And we are done. So don't forget to check everyone else out that is playing along with Christy's Beautiful Life 30 Days of Sketches. My personal prompt today was letters. We've got them in there. I also outlined the "and" just to make it pop because it was trying to blend in there and I was not feeling that, right? So we were able to get some stuff on there, but I still have like 2 of those iris containers. I still have 2 containers, these containers full of photos. I'm not concerned about not running out. I'm actually more concerned about running out of stuff. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.